You could get a little nostalgic thinking back to the days where simply listening to a weekly radio program or visiting an actual theater were your only sources of outside entertainment. Well, things have certainly changed, for better or worse, with entertainment choices now available in almost every format and place you can think of. A new option has been making pretty big waves, bringing back some of that simplicity and allowing independent creators to publish programs on almost every subject. Meet podcasting.
Surprisingly, radio is still one of the most popular and widespread formats, reaching nearly 90% of the population in the US, and it's still one of the top sources of entertainment while commuting. It truly isn't perfect though. Most stations use regulated frequencies that require a license and are usually only broadcast to its local area. Podcasting is able to solve those issues by using the internet to publish, and making the cost to start pretty much just a microphone and connection. Think of podcasts like individual radio shows. Each of these shows are completely different from another, from politics all the way to comedy or cooking, and they all operate on a different schedule. Listeners can then subscribe to podcasts to get notified as soon as an episode is released, or listen to previous episodes to catch up. It's like curating your own on-demand radio station with only your favorite content. So how do you get podcasts? The best way is using a podcast player, sometimes referred to as a podcatcher app. The iPhone comes with a Podcasts app right out of the box, and it has one of the largest libraries of content available. Locate the Podcasts app and open it. Now click the Browse tab to explore the latest content. Or search to find a specific podcast to listen to. Each podcast will list their latest episodes below. Try out a few and press the subscribe button on your favorites to add them to your library. You can view your library by pressing the Listen Now tab, and then select one of the episodes from the list to listen to it. Android has many podcast players available in the Play Store. I currently use one called Pocket Casts, but try a couple and see which interface you like the most and has the content you enjoy. In Pocket Casts, you can press Discover to browse through the available podcasts, or search to find a specific one. Recent episodes will be shown below. Just select one to play. Or press subscribe to sign up for your favorites. All of your subscriptions will then be shown under the Podcasts tab. Podcasting has allowed some truly wonderful, innovative content from people that may not have had a chance in the past. I suggest checking out some of the most popular ones, like This American Life, Radiolab, and Stuff You Should Know. One thing to remember is that unlike traditional broadcasters, most podcasts are not held to any standards, so they may contain false or sometimes hurtful information. Like anything on the internet, just be aware and don't always take things at face value. Now excuse me, I need to get back to this story. No. He did it. Like the information in this video and need more? Don't forget to subscribe to the Late Genius channel, like us on Facebook, or visit www.lategenius.com to get the latest content.